The problem is in animal agriculture, which generates sales of exceeding about $130 billion a year, the entire competitive grants program available in the United States to faculty that are interested in this sort of research is only about $32 million. Now you can contrast that with the budget for NIH, which is about nearly $30 billion, of which 80% goes to support extramural research. So this is a huge problem facing those scientists that are interested in using farm animals to generate new information that is important to improve animal agriculture. It's also critically important for NIH that might want to take advantage of farm animals as unique biomedical models. Because if we don't have a strong, fully funded competitive grants program for basic research, then this has a lot of negative ramifications for the future of animal agriculture. I mean, for example, why would your brightest and best young faculty want to be hired into an animal science department or in veterinary medicine as the funds for competitive research to support their programs continues to dwindle? It's already small. The mouse is very good for lots of aspects of research, no doubt about that. But farm animals, for example, as well as other animal models, have clear advantages over the mouse in certain types of experiments and in certain types of areas. And these are not being exploited as well at NIH as they should be because of the predominant use of the mouse model. There's a lot of advantages of the farm animals. Some of them is size alone because, for example, in the pig, the cardiovascular system is much closer to the humans than a mouse would be. So a lot of the monitoring and instrumentation that needs to be done in those types of experiments, cardiovascular experiments, are much easier done in the pig. The pig is also a very good model for obesity studies and much better than the mouse. And actually, I don't want to toot the horn for the pig continuously, but the pig is one of the very few animals that actually will drink enough alcohol to become drunk. So it might be a unique model for the studies on alcoholism that's not been taken advantage of a lot. The chicken, for example, is one of the few species that develops ovarian cancer, and which is a very deadly disease because it's not easily detected in humans. So that's a very good model. The cow is an excellent model for studies on reproduction in the human because it's one of the few species that actually has follicular growth and dynamics very similar to what takes place in the human, except the advantage of the cow would be a much shorter reproductive lifespan in the human. Basic research and a vibrant, strong basic research program is fundamental for resolving complex problems not only in biomedicine but also in animal agriculture.